Right, so this is a kettle lead. Call it a kettle lead because it's used in kettles a lot, and printers and all sorts of stuff, but I'll call them kettle leads and everyone I know calls them kettle leads. But anyway, obviously you got a live, a neutral and an earth. Live is fused, so you're checking the fuse at the same time as this. So I'm going to put it onto continuity with a beeper. Just test it. And then I'm going to try at the other end, the live end. So I know that's continuous and it's got a low reading, so it's got low resistance. So I'll swap over to the neutral. Same, low resistance and beeping. You may as well check the earth at the same time. That's a safety, protect you from short circuits and that. So there you go, low continuity. I mean, we've already tested the fuse, but if you wanted to, you could just pop it out and then do the same to make sure it's low resistance and has continuity. And that is it. So you've tested the live, neutral and earth. You don't need to plug it in. Don't do live testing unless you know what you're doing, because it's dangerous, because obviously you can plug that in there, you've still got a little bit exposed, or it's just too dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. So